Meaning of Home Depot.
Home Depot.
Home Depot.
Home Depot.
Home Depot. Home Depot is a home improvement retail chain that offers a wide variety of products for home renovation and maintenance. Founded in 1978, the company operates over 2,200 stores across North America, serving both professional contractors and DIY customers. The product selection ranges from building materials, garden supplies, appliances to furniture and decor. Home Depot also offers various services such as tool rental, installation, and delivery. With its convenient locations, extensive product options, and expert advice, Home Depot has become a go-to destination for people seeking to improve their homes.